I really believe in harnessing the power of AI, and I do think that FDA is a place that employs very highly trained scientists to review volumes of data, right? I was not at FDA when this AI system ELSA was rolled out, as you know that it's called. I am in very close touch. I have a very active pipeline. Into FDA. And the major, I think, difference perhaps that people may not realize is FDA's ELSA system is a closed system, which means exactly as it sounds, it can only draw from its internal data, right? So if you were looking at a novel drug in breast cancer and you wanted ELSA to compare that asset to FDA approved therapies and how does this stack up and how does this compare, which would be very key in decision making. Elsa, at this stage, to my knowledge, now this could have changed, would not be able to provide some of that pivotal data that you need for critical thinking. Where I do think there is likely great potential is taking a bunch of data, aggregating it, and giving it to the reviewer in a salient way, or summarizing the key points, or finding signals that perhaps are less obvious. I was trained in a very classic way at FDA where this even evolved in my tenure, where I was actually in data sets. I was almost had some programming knowledge, if you will. So I could sort and find, and I was doing line item data review, which is how we were classically trained. So I have that training. I do believe you can train an AI agent to do some of that work we were doing. It all goes into the training of the agent. So I believe there's a lot of efficiency that can be derived even with the closed system for kind of summarizing and pushing up key data. I believe the critical thinking skills and understanding what the landscape looks like and what the risk benefit looks like overall still remains with the reviewer, and that's the critical thinking that we really want the FDA staff to be doing.